Have you ever wanted to turn a simple Excel spreadsheet into a professional, interactive dashboard without learning Power BI, Tableau, or coding? What if I told you that you can take an Excel file, paste it into Gemini AI, and generate a fully functional dashboard in just a few minutes? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a technology products dataset that contains information about brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, Sony, Microsoft, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Acer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a modern, web-based dashboard complete with interactive charts, filters, dark mode, search functionality, and export options, all generated with AI.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Here we have our Excel dataset containing product information such as brand, device, model, country of origin, release date, and price. We have products ranging from the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to the Sony PlayStation 5 and Microsoft Surface devices. Normally, creating a dashboard from this data would require hours of work, but today, we'll let Gemini AI handle everything for us. First, open your browser and search for Gemini AI, then open the official Gemini website. If you're using the free version, that's completely fine, although there may be some daily usage limits. Before we begin, there are two settings I recommend enabling. Click the plus icon next to the prompt box and select Canvas mode. Then switch the model to Gemini Pro for the best results. These settings help Gemini generate larger and more advanced projects more accurately. Now comes the most important step, the prompt. Instead of simply saying, "Create a dashboard," we need to be more specific. We'll ask Gemini to build a professional web-based dashboard using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Create interactive charts, include search and filtering features, support dark and light mode. Next, go back to Excel, select the entire dataset, and copy it. Then return to Gemini, paste both the prompt and the Excel data into the chat, and click Submit. Within seconds, Gemini begins analyzing the dataset. It reads all the information about products, brands, prices, release dates, and countries of origin. After processing everything, it starts generating a complete dashboard automatically. And just like that, we have a fully functional dashboard ready to use. We can already see important insights such as the total number of products, average product prices, brand distribution, country-wise analysis, and multiple interactive charts. It looks surprisingly professional considering we didn't write a single line of code. But let's take things a step further. Suppose we don't like the layout and want the navigation panel on the left side instead of the top. We can simply tell Gemini, move the navigation menu to the left side and improve the layout. After submitting the request, Gemini instantly regenerates the dashboard according to our instructions. This is one of the biggest advantages of AI-generated dashboards. You can refine and customize everything using simple natural language. No coding knowledge is required. Let's say the dashboard icon doesn't match the technology theme of our dataset. We can ask Gemini to replace it with a modern technology icon such as a laptop, microchip, or computer-related symbol. Gemini will update only that specific element while keeping the rest of the dashboard unchanged. Now, let's explore some of the dashboard's features. We have interactive charts that respond to user input. Clicking on a brand allows us to analyze product distribution and pricing. We can compare products from different countries, identify premium and budget categories, and filter records based on release dates. The dashboard also supports dark mode and light mode, giving it a modern and professional appearance. If we need to share information with someone else, the export feature allows us to download data with a single click. What's truly impressive is that all of these features were generated automatically from a simple Excel spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Guru Tech Solution, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest AI and automation tutorials. Let me know in the comments what type of Excel project you'd like me to automate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.